workplace politics killing you? You are not the only one. Hi, this is Ralsi Sharma, founder and CEO of PeopleQ, and let's talk about a very popular topic, politics today. So what is politics? So politics is generally expression of different views, beliefs, desires, ambitions in a group. You know, when people come together. So wherever there will be people, there will be politics. One definitely needs to understand how they need to express their views, beliefs and ambitions, but it is not possible to completely get rid of politics wherever people are. Issue starts when a person or few people start putting their personal interest beyond organizational or group interest and start taking advantage of the politics proactively. And what are some signs that you will see in a place which is quite political is that there will be lying, there will be cheating, there will be lobbying, there will be bullying. So these are the signs, the distribution of resources, appreciation and rewards will not be fair or equitable. So these are the signs that there is overplay of politics in these workplaces. Okay, now as I already said that it is not possible to completely get rid of it, so then the next question is that you need to manage it. So some tips on how you could in an environment which is political stay and continue to do well. First, don't leave your focus on your objectives and your work. So while if you're on the side which is more powerful in terms of politics, you may try to get short-term advantages, but remember that these will be only short-lived. If you're pursuing longer-term things, then you need to focus on the core work, core objectives that you are in this place for. Second, you need to understand as much as possible. So while you may decide not to play or play in a way that it doesn't harm anyone, but it is important for you to understand who are the authorities, what are the games being played, and how is the manipulation happening. Okay, so that you protect yourself from becoming a prey into it. Third, very, very important thing is that you need to continue to be genuine. By genuine, I mean that you do not need to proactively harm anyone or plot against anyone, because trust me, I have studied about a lot of organization cultures and people who've done well in their life, and these things don't last long or don't give you enough opportunities to serve you lifelong. Okay, so it's better that we do a fair play from our side and not get into a trap which is going to harm us in the medium to long term. In a political place, you also need to manage your responses. Okay, so while you don't need to harm anyone or do anything manipulative, but you need to know what to speak, when to speak, and what can go against you. So you need to be mindful of your responses and your expression in such a workplace. And last and most important, that in spite of trying your best and being trying to be emotionally upright and strong, if it's still affecting you and it's taking a toll on your health, maybe it's time to move on. Okay, because anyway, if the politics is beyond a point where it is letting the performance happen or organization be productive, it's definitely going to impact the organization negatively. So don't have a long-term vision with that kind of organization. Move on for better pastures, better avenues for yourself. Hope this helps. Thank you for watching this video. Signing off, Ralsi Sharma.